Barksdale versus Leo Stringa. Is your name?
Sure, Barksdale.
Leo Stringa. Not here. This is a termination of tenancy action. He also did not file a written answer. The defendant never failed to appear or comply with the court's orders.
Quick breakdown: judgment for possession means the landlord legally gets the property back. If the tenant doesn't leave voluntarily, the sheriff will help them pack.
Judgment for possession will enter. There is no redemption amount. Will issue my son. So you'll need to fill out a judgment for my son.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Take care, Mr. Dillon. Court calls the case Steven Weaver versus Eric Buckner. Is this one of the machines? Oh. And Nicole Winnable.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Your name?
Eric Buckner.
All right. Where are we on this case?
This next case, the tenant actually showed up, which means they get a chance to negotiate. But pay attention, these agreements are a tightrope. One late payment and the eviction hammer drops instantly.
Mr. Buckner and I have agreed to a COD, which I will submit on the 7-day rule. Should we include the terms as to his wife, which is vulnerable, unable to fall, and then fall and come back. So, Your Honor, we agreed today's balance is $5,000. We agreed that monthly rent is $23. They are going to pay $1,000, $700 next Tuesday, and $700 every Tuesday until the balance is zero, but no later than October 1st. Yeah. So it'll be a total of 51 plus 2,300, which is $7,400. They'll pay $1,000 today and $700 until it's paid. They'll pay their monthly rent on time through the end of their lease, which is March, right? Which is in March. And it's a conditional dismissal. If they comply with those terms, they'll be dismissed. If they don't, landlords.
Pause for the chat, fair or harsh. They keep their home if they follow every rule. But one slip, even by a day, and they're out. Should housing security really hinge on a single missed Tuesday?
Why is it judgment? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding those terms?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay. When I do sign it, I just will advise you, since your portion is in SAP, that you would have 3 business days in which to think about it to the date of my signing. Do you believe that there's some legal reason, some right you can search, misunderstanding, or confusion that to file a motion with the court within those cases?
Sure.
Sir?
I'm good.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for working
Great
it
day.
out.
Hi, well.
Thank you, guys. Karen Steele versus Robin Pitt. Yeah.
Can we approach, Jenner?
Oh, boy. Yeah, come on. Thank you. In this matter, records will reflect the conference. And so, really make sure that things are kind of coming through, and I don't mind giving the parties themselves closer. October, final 14th. Well, October 14th.
Yes, Judge.
Works for me as well.
So, final settlement conference will be adjourned in this matter. October 14th. Keep that.
This isn't just paperwork. Settlement conferences are the last chance before a courthouse eviction becomes a moving truck eviction. Mark that date, because if progress stops, the case explodes.
2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you, folks. Yeah.
Lori Anderson versus everybody.
Your Honor, for the record, Tish Lee for the defendant, Precious Terman.
That's awesome. Yeah, right. We have a judicial order of dismissal. Sorry. All the Jason people.
Do we want to approach the bench?
Sure. Maybe.
Yes.
Just take a minute. Yeah, we will submit a conditional order of dismissal. It dismisses this case subject to the terms of the order. Allows Ms. Terman to retain possession of 833 Armstrong pursuant to the terms of the lease agreement, provided she complies with the order. Her rent due as of today is $2,969 as rent, costs, and fees, and it's her ledger balance. She will pay $98, which is her September rent, out of before September 30th. She will pay the remaining balance after paying that $98 in 6 equal payments commencing October 1st, 2025. If it's the entire balance, it will be $478.50 a month, 6 equal payments for the arrearage. But we expect she's going to get assistance. And so whatever the balance is going to be divided by 6. That's what she'll pay for those 6 months. It could be as low as $100. She'll pay her monthly rent on time and not late each month. She will timely complete all recertifications, both annual and interim, while this order is in effect. She'll comply with the terms of the lease. She makes all payments as agreed. No additional late fees shall be.
This is where you see the system trying to help. Waiving late fees sounds small, but those charges stack up fast and bury people. Removing them? That's the difference between surviving the month and drowning in debt.
Added to her ledger. My client can only do that if you order it, and I know from the
So ordered.
sections that you order. So we added it. If she's delinquent, late fees will occur. If she fails to comply with any terms of the order, file an affidavit of non-compliance with a copy to defense counsel. They have 5 business days to file objections. If they object, you'll have a hearing in order based on the preponderance of the evidence, except to set forth this, the terms of the lease continue, 14-day objection period, MCL 0.602C2D is waived. 56-day rule is waived. This order is 365 days for enforcement. There's no admission of or a finding of fault or wrongdoing. Court retains jurisdiction, and this is a final order resolving the last pending claim.
So here's the only issue that I have. The additional payment is due at the same time as rent. I have a problem with that. I would rather the additional payment be due the 15th. And my only reason for saying that is because I just ran into this, thought about it before, but I just ran into it, where they do a research, the rent goes up, and then there's this huge amount of, it can be paid if there's like another paycheck.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. They do a research.
This judge gets it. Most people live paycheck to paycheck. Adjusting the due date isn't just flexible, it may literally keep someone housed. Small changes equals major real-world impact.